is a real premiere, a world premiere, attracting leading bankers from all over America who were invited to Poughkeepsie to witness the world's first public demonstration of a total demand deposit accounting system. The IBM laboratory at Poughkeepsie was the focal point of this nationwide gathering. To it, there converged over 600 of the country's leading progressive bankers, eager to see, evaluate, and learn for themselves the new paper handling capacity of IBM Series 1200 equipment. These executives, who were invited to enter the lobby, where they exchanged ideas, viewed the preliminary displays, and discussed them with IBM representatives, until Mr. F.G. Rogers, manager of the IBM banking department, opened the proceedings.
Prior to the establishment of magnetic ink character recognition as the ABA common language, a variety of approaches were being planned by the manufacturers to solve the check handling problem. Then we, along with the other manufacturers, heard the plea for uniformity. And through the cooperative effort of the manufacturers, the printers, the ABA, and yourselves, magnetic character sensing became the banking language.
Mr. Rogers summarized the demonstrations by pointing out that through the sorter reader's ability to link itself to any one of IBM's data processing systems, banks can now perform the complete demand deposit application from proving, to sorting, to reading, to posting, and the production of up-to-the-minute management reports. Mr. Dan Spina of the Magnetic Inks Engineering Department then reviewed the printing problems and IBM's plan of cooperation. He stated that IBM has conducted extensive engineering studies on the processes used for printing checks, has purchased carloads of checks, and visited bank check stationers all over the country. The result is complete confidence in the ability of printers to meet ABA requirements. And what did the banking industry, as represented in Poughkeepsie, think of this premiere?
Mr. Gable, we're very pleased to have you with us today, and we'd like very much to get your comments on the demonstration that you've just seen.
Well, it was very impressive.
Do you feel that the talk that we had on the ability of the printers to meet the common language requirements will be interesting to banks?
Yes, definitely, because there's a lot of mystery. We don't understand it, and this was very helpful to me.
Well, I think it's most complete. I was quite amazed to see the whole thing tie in so beautifully from beginning machine, the sorter reader, right on through to the finished product, and impressed us very much. And I'm very happy to have our top management along with us today, our executive vice presidents and senior vice presidents, and just commenting a moment before we came out here, why they said, well, this looks like it's it.
Manufacturers have now given to you the hardware which you have demanded. So I say the challenge is no longer with us, the challenge is now with you. We are making no shift in our responsibility, for we will do everything possible to guarantee a successful implementation of a magnetic character sensing program. Yet, gentlemen, it is you who must decide, it is you who must make the final decision. Thank you very much.